Hey guys, it's another beautiful spring day. I'm over here by the water. Yeah, the fro is growing. I'm getting used to my natural hair. I'm still a work in progress, but I'm enjoying the freedom of wearing my natural hair and not being hot under a wig or a unit or a sew-in. That's just me. It's my vibe. So let me turn the camera around and show you this beautiful day. I'm Life with Marlene. Hey everybody, this is Life with Marlene. I live in the beautiful state of Florida, and I show in driving videos with Florida ambiance that I am your Florida vlogger. I also share my love of thrifting and fashion, and I also take you along with me to the beaches. Welcome to this vlog. So I'm over here by the water, and I wanted to show you how beautiful it is today. It's nice and sunny. It's kind of a little bit of a breeze, but it's very beautiful. And it's beautiful, and there's nobody here. All the people who are fishing left. And turn the camera back around, and look how pretty it is over here. It's a whole vibe. You know I'm gonna come in the shade. You know I don't play about my skin and being melting and burning up. But I'm so happy. It's so peaceful here. Let me show you the view. It is so beautiful today. So sunny. It's so nice in the shade. Outside of the shade, it is melting hot, but the view, the vibes, you can hear the birds. It's one of my favorite things to do when I have a day off, when I don't have much to do. Just come and take this in. Yeah, so let's go on a walk. Look at this over here. Let's go for a walk over here. Let me turn the camera around. I love how you can see the houses on the water, and then it's another tree right down there, just like in front of my house, a royal poinciana tree, which is beautiful. Can you guys see that? Oh, let's go for this walk. So you know I've been getting in my steps, and it has been hard. You guys let me know, is it hard for you guys to get your steps in? It is hard for me because most of the time after a long busy day, the last thing I want to do after a long day is move my body some more. I want to relax my mind, but I've learned that the way I relax my mind, a new mindset, a new way of thinking, is not just by being sedentary or being lazy or sitting on the couch and eating junk food. I had to learn my new way, a healed way, an improved way, improved lifestyle, was choosing me and making better choices for my mental health, for my peace of mind. That's what I'm doing, guys. I'm trying my best to keep myself moving, keep my mindset positive. Even when you don't want to be positive, you should be positive. You should still move, and you got to push through it anyways. Most of the time, I don't want to push through it. I don't want to push through it. I want to complain. I want to feel sorry for myself. I want to be lazy. I want to relax. But goals don't get accomplished when you're lazy. Good things don't happen in the comfort zone. You got to get into the uncomfortable. What does the saying go? You have to get uncomfortable to get comfortable. In order to get where you want in your life, you got to do a lot of things that you don't like to do. Like for me, I don't like drinking water. I don't like walking. I don't like being responsible with money. I'd rather play with my money and have lots of fun and burn through it. But you got to think you make better choices now so that you have an improved quality of life later. Those are some of the things that I've been thinking about, and not just thinking about it, putting it into action. Healthier mindset, healthier lifestyle, and a better me. So guys, it is hot and I gotta head into getting some AC, but I didn't want to make a day skip without giving you guys some motivation. I'm motivated and inspired to be healthy in every way. Healthier hair, healthier finances, healthier credit, healthier relationships, and a healthy lifestyle. And also remembering to put some pleasure into my life, because let me tell you something, most of the time we put so much focus on making the money and getting the money that we don't give ourselves the permission to have fun with the money that we make. So I'm shifting that mindset too, that yes, I deserve better. I do deserve to get more education. I do deserve to have a healthier body. I do deserve to have healthier relationships. And I do deserve to have people pour into me. And if people aren't willing to do that, if we don't believe that we deserve it, you're never going to get it. It's about positive choices, positive lifestyle, and action. You know, it's up to you and it's up to me so that we can live our best life. Channel member shout out, always that girl, Love Baby, Leticia's Third Eye Point of View, Dave's Adventures, Boss Life Online, First Lady, Cruise Life 22, Tracy Positive Corner, Z Unpacking Life, Tasha T, Nate the Great Podcast 2.0. If you want to be featured, join my channel membership. It starts at 99 cents. Kicking It with the Rooks, Oliver's Vlog TV Mix, Hunter_Killer1, Lara, Boss Killer, Just Call Me Sammy 33, Global Empire ENT Media.
Let me take you out and have some fun in the Florida sun. You know what I mean? Enjoy life with Marlene. Enjoy life with Marlene. Here's another thing I want to say. Check out my outfit of the day. Let me show you fun. Let me show you how to have fun in the sun.